Okay, today we've got the Husky Liners X-act contour floor mats. I've had these in my other vehicles. I absolutely love them. I've had WeatherTechs, they're okay, but these seem to fit so much better. They hold dirt better. They actually have grooves in here that help knock stuff off your shoes and keeps it on the mat instead of allowing it to get up into the carpet. This is for a 2018 Super Duty. The fronts are part number 53361, and for my truck with the tool bin, it's part 53381. 2017-18 Ford F250 Crew Cab with factory storage box, second seat. And I highly suggest that you open this one up first, because to save shipping space, what they do is they fold it over. So we want this thing to have a few minutes to relax and unfold and come back out to its natural shape that you want it to be. These have a nice texture on there, so it holds the dirt, it doesn't allow it to move around. And as you can see, it's got a nice rib all the way around, so if one of your youngins, someone that will remain nameless behind the camera, happens to be in the back seat and spills something, it stays on the mat, not in the carpet. Wouldn't know anything about that, would we? Care and use instructions. I thank you for buying it. Correct fit. Necessary to remove the factory mats before installing a new floor mat. Carpet stays in place. Resin lightweight, extremely tough and durable. Easiest way to clean your lines is with a damp cloth or sponge and soap and water. Windex, 409, and Armor All type cleaners will work as well. I highly suggest that you do not use Armor All or 409 or what is that? That other one. Anything with the Teflon stuff and stuff like that. The protectorants and stuff. Because the simple fact is they make these so slippery that you will bust your backside if you try standing up on it. It's like an ice skating rink. Damp cloth, soapy water is really all you need to keep them clean. These things last and last, and they are great. This one is part number 53361. This is for the front. Again, packaged nicely. Same obligatory instructions. Must remove factory floor mats. We have a left and a right, so there is a difference. What's really nice about this brand is they provide the clip for the passenger side and a hole that it goes into so it locks in place. The driver's side what they do that is really nice is they give you an extra thick reinforced area where your heel is. Of course, your accelerator pedal's right here, your heel's always down over here. Work boots, everything else, this takes a ton of a punishment, and because of the grid and the thickness, this really holds up and lasts nice. Again, ribs help knock the stuff off your feet. This, if you get in, you got snow or ice, or down here in Florida, we have a lot of liquid sunshine, what most people call rain. So your boots are always wet. This will trap it, hold it, keep it from going into your carpet. Nice little label here, nice feel. So let's get started putting these in. Remove the factory carpets. I mean, look at all that coming out of there. Installation couldn't be any easier. Get that thrown up in there, get it situated, find the little tabs, and and simply get them to lock into place, just like that. Nice fit. They hold up well. I really like them. I've had them in other vehicles. Good product. Let's go put in the passenger side. Again, pull out the factory mats per the instructions. Now on this one, it has the place for the little knob. They give you the piece to pierce the factory carpet to hold this in place. I'm not going to do that. I'm simply going to put this in here. Very nice form fitting. And there it is. Great fit. Like I said, you spill water or liquid in there, it actually holds in place. Okay, the back one, just as simple and just as easy. It's just a matter of getting it in here, getting the factory mats out. Getting it tucked up in here. It tucks up against the factory toolbox, back against the seats, up against the console. A very nice fit. And again, it catches youngins' mistakes. Seats come down. I got the black ones because the interior is pretty black, so it matches it nice. But that's the Husky Liners. We'll give you an update here in a few months, let you see how they're doing. Again, I've used them before, like them a lot. Get them in your truck, you'll like them. And it also helps your resale value because it keeps the carpet like new. Once again, have a great day. Get out in the shop, make something, have fun. See ya.